Hello and welcome to Starzia Travel. So this one is a hotel review vlog. We've just come into the Big Blue, just got into the room. We've requested a room with 2 single beds, although online we booked one that was a double because that was the only option for some reason to book. But as you can see, we have got 2 single beds. It's quite a nice hotel room actually. I'll show you a little bit around it. Let me just flip cam. It's key card entry process. Obviously you get the normal stuff of like where things are. Do not put your card in here because then it's really hard to get out because they've already got a thing in there to keep it in. Obviously door handles, etc. There's information about getting onto the Wi-Fi on the back of the holder for the cards, key card. A few nice sort of little side bits, tissues. We've got a kettle there to make some tea in the morning. There's breakfast included as well. And what we've got, I think they said it was from 7:30 till 10 o'clock. Got some nice artwork of naked people jumping around. Very family friendly. I don't know what this is. This looks like it might be, although I can see it's locked, but I think that this would be a connecting room if you'd booked it as such. Some nice chairs. They look comfortable. I don't know. I haven't sat in them because Mum put this stuff all over it. Again, we've got some fire dance. Oh, I think that's meant to be like maybe the Hot Ice show or something. I don't know, I've not seen Hot Ice, so that's just a guess. But there's a weird picture. Weird cool little fireplace thing, which is a fake fireplace, but it looks really nice. Curtains that are nice. Sadly, although we're on the 4th floor, we are facing away from the park, so we haven't got necessarily the best view in the world. But it's quite quiet, so I can't hear any noise from the street, so that's good. Windows are kind of a little bit cold, so, but it's not too bad, and the curtains are really nice and thick, so it'll stop it being cold in here. Got a fair few plug sockets we can plug things into, telephone in the room, information about the local area, etc. in there. Quite a few. Usually sometimes they do a little book in places, or they have like little things. Oh, we've even got envelopes with Big Blue written on it. That's kind of nice. Bag as well, randomly. Maybe for the dry cleaning thing if you're doing that. Bottle of water. Always useful if you need a drink in the night. I can't see a mini fridge in here. There's one thing I do wish that they had. It's a little bedside table thing. What have we got in here? Anything in here? No, quite difficult to open that. Really small, magnetic lock there, so it just closes. So, yeah, we've got a hairdryer in the room, we've got an ironing board, extra pillows. Generally, quite a nice room. There's a thermostat as well, so we can turn that up a little bit. There we go. That should be alright. Fan heater or something. Maybe it's aircon, I don't know. Maybe I should turn it off. I'll turn that off. It's kind of hard to tell if it's going to be hotter or colder if I put that on. So I'll leave that off for now. A little tear in one of the light things, which is above the bed, which obviously isn't ideal. Let me see how these are to operate. This one's just a switch. Nice and simple. This one looks like it's a weird, I don't know, a dimmer or something. So let's just have a look at this. Is it dimming or... is that doing anything? No? What did that do? Oh, that turns them lights off. And the switch there for it. Just to give you a little room tour. It's generally quite nice. A few little marks of the paintwork here and there, but nothing bad. But generally a really nice hotel. We've got a nice few different teas. Oh, a hot chocolate. I might actually have one of them in the morning. Do actually like hot chocolate. I don't like many hot drinks. Yeah, quite nice overall. Hopefully at some point I will get the chance to show you reception, etc., what the rest of the hotel looks like. But I am going to be sort of fairly quick. I'll show you what the bathroom looks like now that my mum is actually out of there. What are you thinking of the room so far, Mum?
Very nice, isn't it? Well, it was till I started chucking things in.
Yeah, she started chucking things everywhere, so I couldn't sit on the sofa to see if it was any comfy or not. But yes, I shall show you the bathroom, which is very nice. I'm going to need your hairbrush. It's all the toilet roll's got this Big Blue sticker on. It's very, very posh. Got 2 cups there. Got a nice selection. The soap thing was in here. That was really difficult to open the soap. So I wish I'd done that before I actually went to the bathroom. But yeah, we've got a selection of various lotions and bath salts and stuff, which is really, really quite nice. Obviously there are towels here as well. Whether they'll replace them after the first day or not, I don't know. But I'm sure we'll find out on that front. Mum's already leaving loads of stuff in the sink and making as much of a mess as possible, as usual. But there we go. That's our room.